In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a responsive web page section with a full-width background banner image in Hazel Pro. Start by clicking the Add button and choose a single column section. Once the section is added, use the Sections Plus button to insert two objects, a text box and a blank space object. These will help structure your banner content. Next, use the formatting toolbar to update the font size, alignment, and any other styling you want for your banner text. Then right-click the blank space object to adjust its height. This gives you control over how tall your banner section appears. Now open the section properties by clicking the Settings button at the top left corner of the section. From here, select the background image you want to use. Hazel Pro will apply it instantly, creating a clean, responsive banner. Finally, go to Preview to see exactly how your page will look once it's published. This is the best way to confirm that your text, spacing, and background image all work together across different screen sizes.